So hey guys, we just came to this like jungle biome, and I honestly didn't plan to record. I just planned on looking for stuff, bringing them home until I saw this. Yup. Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna go there. Anyways, yeah. No way. It's like, oh boy. There you are. Ah, aim properly. There we go. Ah, he knows. Where's he? That's right. Jump, jump. There we go. Anyways, yeah. Boy. Are there like spawners in here or something? No way. What? Oh boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold on. It's like Indiana Jones in this crib. Careful. Yeah, yeah, I see you. I just redstone. Cut it. Just in case. Yo! Nice. Yeah, some bamboo. Give me some more. Yeah, not bad. Gotcha. Huh, gotcha. Ooh, arrow. Anyways, yeah, I think that's it. Let's go to the other side. Whoa. What's this do? Oh crap, I'm kinda scared now. What's that do? Okay, so we've been there. Wait, is that it? Is that what it is? Is that just it? I expected more, like more corridors. Like, what do these do? Whatever. So yeah, not bad. Besides, those are just, simple arrows. Yeah, not bad. Anyways, let's go sleep. Oh crap, there's another player. It's a bit dangerous. Wait a bit. Yeah. Anyways, our respawn point is set, and yeah. Let's just leave the bed here. I mean, I don't want to respawn back at village, so, you know. Yeah, let's get back there. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Die. Anyways, yeah. I love gold. So, yeah. Yeah, desert. Might find it like a jungle village. Let's establish territory in here besides, oh my gosh, a panda. Yo, oh my god, he did a little like twirl. Oh, it's a playful panda. You can tell because it's got the tongue, and why it did like the flip. Are you what? They eat what? It's following me. Here. Oh my gosh! Yes, feed, feed. Here, eat more. Eat. Come on. Oh. Amazing. I want to bring this guy home, but it's so far. Look, we can make this happen, you know. Besides, it's mostly ocean. All we need is a boat, then we can bring this guy home with us. So yeah, we can make that work. We can make that work. Besides, look at all these. Yeah. I can smell hour-long episodes right now. I mean an hour-long episode. Yeah. Let's hope Panda doesn't die on the way home. But you know, since it's really far, we couldn't bring so much at a time. So we're just gonna bring this guy. Yeah, we're gonna bring you. Don't worry, don't worry. I knew it! I frigging knew it. Here. What? Is he too large for it? Yeah, fine. Let's make a... Let's make crafting bench. And then, yeah. Yeah, way back home. Yeah, hi there. And, let's make a boat. Yeah. Yep, that's right. And, the boat here. And just kind of push the little guy. The big guy, I mean. Come on, get there. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Whoa, is he in the boat? Oh, that's so cool. He's in the boat. Anyways, yeah, this is the place, you know. You know, we'll get here, you know. A parrot! What? Oh my gosh, a parrot. Seeds. I need seeds. Do we have some in our inventory? Yeah, we just need some seeds, alright? Let's grab me some seeds. I don't know, I might make home here. Besides, this is really cool. You definitely gotta bring them home. You need some seeds. Ah, yes, we got some seeds. Yeah, that's right. Hello. Hi. No, come here. Don't move. Let him come to you. Hi there. You want some seeds? Come on. Oh no, I'm getting hit. Hi, parrot. No, careful. I don't want my parrot to get hit. Okay, great. Safe. Come on. Aw. We can come back for them later. Besides, we have so much time. It's not like we have to go home right away. Besides, you know, I want to take the time to grab stuff and ooh. Let's get this. Hell yeah. Some more of this. Try to get some saplings. I want to get more of that. Let's explore this place a bit. Not bad, not too shabby. It's really cool. No, not bad. It's just some jungle. This is actually really big, and I like that. Besides, at least we have it on our map. And we have this documented, so we can always rewatch it if I want to go back. And I still have this map. A wild ocelot. No way. It has, like, the wild colors. And how I don't need one, I mean. I have so much anyways. Let's just keep exploring. I could use some melons. Besides, you know, we're gonna need some more food source. Yeah, some more bamboos as well. Oh man, this place. I think this isn't the jungle that Yinkun went to last time. Yeah, this is definitely like new. Yeah, this is crossing out Nautictown territory, so you know. So yeah, I colonized this land hereby. I might make a series in here, like even a short one. Oh, whoa. It's a canopy. Whew. Beautiful. Really lovely. Let's keep going this direction. Oh, and it just heads to oak. Let's get back. No, let's go to the canopy. Let's grab some munch first. Oh, yes. Lovely, lovely. Some more wild ocelots, no way. Ooh, lovely place for a treehouse, in it? No, I'm not gonna lie, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, you look so... We need more! Alright, just gotta grab more, We gotta grab more. You still here? Yes, that's right, stay here, stay here, stay here. Grab more, quick, quick, quick. Yes, 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 come here, come to me, come to me, come to me. Don't go, don't, please, please, please. No, don't go, don't go, don't go. Come on, come on, come on. That's right, come down slowly, come down slowly. Yes. No. This sucks. Besides, there's so much grass anyway. You can find some seeds. Yeah, just grab some more. Try look for 5 before our next attempt. We got 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Where does he go? Is he still here? There he is, there he is, there he is. Next to the pig, next to the pig. Yeah. Yo, we tamed him! No way! Come to my shoulder. How do we make him do that? Alright, so he does that. Come to my shoulder. What do I do? How do I do that? How do I make him come to my shoulder? He's standing, right? Okay, so that's how he looks when he sits. That's how he looks when he stands. Lovely. Don't tell me. Oh, that's just so lovely. We gotta bring some more home. You know, we gotta bring a panda home and these parrots. Yes. Just gotta grab some more seeds, alright? 7 or 8. Yo, is he still... What's happened? Is he hungry? No, yeah, that's right. Whoa. Still on me? Yeah. I'm a little bit anxious that he might just fly away. Whoa. Whoa. Is that like a jungle cave? What? Oh, man. This episode, man. It's over the top, you know. Yeah, just this way. We have to get to the bed. Hey! Come on. Is that the guy? Yeah. He left. So I tamed him. He'll come back to me, you know. He can fly, you know. I trust him. Yeah? I trust him. Ah, why do we have to leave our bed? I thought we were just gonna, like, roam around quick. I didn't know I was gonna, like, stay for a while. Anyways, he'll come back to me. Besides. Ooh, zombie villagers. That means there's a jungle village somewhere. Come on, parrot. Oh boy, the mobs are coming. Oh, there he is. Quick, you have to go. That's right. Go to my shoulder. 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 Come on, quick, quick, quick. Go to my shoulder. All right, good, good. Come to my shoulder. First, let's make him like sit, and then grab him. Oh no, he has to stand to be able to do that. Stand. There we go. Let's get home. Yes, go closer to the thingy. Besides, we've got a few of our objectives already. They're mobs. That's right, fight each other, fight each other. Leave my parrot alone. Gotta turn on volume. I gotta know if I can hear my parrot. Oh, hey. Make some sounds, please. Make some sounds. Alright. Was that Creeper? Oh, very good, my parrot's with me. Yeah, they can replicate sounds. Yeah. Oh, was that my parrot who did the zombie sound? Alright, yeah, I feel like it's somewhere around here. The little boat with our panda. Since I'm ready for an escape plan, I'm all for it. Besides, I got a parrot. Egan's got some parrots. Hi, yes, quick. Okay, you just gotta run. No one gets hurt. Truce! Truce! Don't hit me! Don't hit me! Truce, please. Let's try to turn. Oh boy, why is this not working? Oh boy. Oh man, we're definitely not in the place we went to. Is my parrot still with me? Yes, he is. I don't think he can... Is he okay? No. Oh boy. Yep, sorry. Truce! Truce! Can't believe you had to make me kill you in front of my own son. Good, he's on me. And, oh, can they swim? Can they swim? Okay, sure, as long as we don't go too deep. Where were we? Across there a bit. You know, there was like a little fortress, no, a temple. Yeah, where we just... Is he okay? No. Oh! Is he with me? Don't drown. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Grab! What the heck? How do I save him? Oh my god, I think he's dying. Quick! Oh! We have to go. Can they teleport? Try to fly away. Follow me. Try. Don't die. Is he with me? Where is he? I can hear him. Oh, there he is. Oh boy, drowned. Yeah, parrot, just fly. This really isn't going well, not gonna lie. He's still there? Is he on me? Oh, there he is. Just gotta take care of this, you know. Father has to take care of business. Because so much people want to kill him. Because he's a nasty politician. Oh boy. Gotta keep him safe, yeah. My children. Will that creeper? No. They replicate sounds. Yeah, definitely around this area. Or somewhere around here. Ooh. He's making Enderman noises. Okay, good. It's safe. Where are you? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Oh, I can't find a place. Can't find where we left our panda. Why does everyone want to kill me? I just want to bring my pets home. Ah, great. Now we're out of the territory. This way. Is he with me? Is my parrot with me? No, he's not. Where are you? What's that EXP? Is he dead? Nah, he's definitely... There he is, see? He's not dead. Try to focus on the map, okay? Now eat before we lose some speed. Alright, back on the run, back on the run. Make sure you don't go to some water. Oh man, a while ago, yeah, that was harsh. Real bummer. Make sure that never happens again. Try to get him out of my shoulder before I cross the place. I don't want that to happen again. So what? Do we have any blocks? Yeah, screw it. Does he... Yeah, see, he's flying. Good, good, good. Yeah, that's what he should have done a while ago. Alright. Yeah, somewhere around here. But it's around the edges, you know, the one with the fortress thingy. Let's mark the area with torches once we find it. He's following me, right? Parrot. Yeah, he is. He's doing good, you know. Besides, yeah. We gotta focus on finding it first, so we can get to our way home and export the panda. Export the panda. Weird. Reminds me of an event in real life, they say. Oh boy. No. No, don't want to confuse future self. Oh, he picked a bad time to... I can sense we're really close. Ooh, hi there. Alright. We can grab you now. Oh. Why now? Ah, crap, now he has to go. Here, definitely. Yeah, we're definitely making it there. Ah, so much people want to kill me right now. I've got such a big target on my back. Let's look for Panda. The guy who did like the little flip turn. There we go. There's the fortress thingy. Alright, good. We're making it. Now let's light this up. Mark the territory. It's only been 22 minutes so far. So yeah, there's our bed. Yeah. Besides, it's almost daytime anyway. You should have loved that. Alright, it's my parrot. Where are you? Oh, good. Scared the living hell out of me if he were gone. There he is. Wait, can't I... Wait, is there only room for one in the boat? Can't we join him? Because we'll need to be exporting him. You know, I'll need to drive the boat. What's going on? What's going on here? Come on. Do we have... Please tell me we have obsidian. Boy. Well, this will be a hassle. How do we get him home? Please. I gotta do something. Hey. Yeah. Ah! No! Bamboo, quick. Feed him. Earn back trust. Ah, how do I destroy the boat? Okay, good. Wait, can we join him now? Here in this mode position? Okay, good, he's eating it. Please don't run about bamboo. I'll do. Alright, what do we do? How do we get him home? I can't get him home! We're supposed to get him home. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to need another portal. I don't think we can get him home. Oh boy, this sucks. I really want to keep him. I mean, the moment I saw him, I already knew I was attached to him. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not here for some iron. It's just gonna clog up my inventory. My inventory's already clogged. What the heck? Now keep that sapling. I don't need this. Just place this. I don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. No, I need this. Yep, that's it. Okay, can we try to get him home? Alright, what can we do? What can we do? Yeah, sure, I can give him a hug. There, see? Hugs, you know? Lovely hugs. I really want to bring him home. You know what? This was our first time, and at least now we know, you know? So, next time I come back, there'll be another portal in this area. We get him... No, first, the portal spawn. It's safe-proofed. Yeah, it's very safe-proofed. And, you know, we get him home, and we put him to Nautictown. We're not gonna, like, exploit him, you know, like, turn him into, like, a zoo showcase. No, we're gonna care for him. We're gonna put some jungle trees and put some bamboo. And, yeah, you know, we're gonna populate some pandas. Really lovely, so... Just wait for me, okay? I'll be home for you. Do you trust me? Sure, have some bamboos. You might not be eating in a long while, so I might as well just, you know, get some sustenance. Whew, so yeah. That's not bad, you know? We'll be back, don't worry. Leave the bed there, just leave the bed. Besides. Yeah, I think we've done enough traveling for a while. Let's go home. Oh yeah, let's make a new boat. Since Panda's gonna stay in the boat. Whoa, a bluebird, what? Let's tame him. Come on. Let's come home with 2 birds. Come on. No, they're not a dog. Come on. Try to, what do we do? Yeah. Hey, parrot, do mating call. I've got a friend for you over here. Oh yeah, thanks. Just need some more of that. Are you here? Please. Oh, come on, he moved. Oh, hi there. Sure, come with me. No, come. There we go. Try to get him. Gotta get you a friend. Come on, we can climb the vines, by the way. Yeah, look at that. Is he here? Oh, what the heck? Where is he now? I really don't want to make this jump, but... yeah. Is he here? Is he still with me? Oh, come on! Sure. Grab. Are you with me? Yeah, sure, grab him. He hears zombies. Where? Yeah, I know. Oh, wow. Wait, where is he? There you are. There you... No, don't! Don't do that to me. Please, stay. That's right, come down. Propel down. Wait, is he trapped in the boat? I don't think so. Probably just... There, you see, he's not. Tame. No! I can't dig a hole under him. I like how this is just our last resort to everything. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Thanks. I'm not coming back without 2 parrots. Yeah. You will come home. So yeah, once we tame him, we're gonna get a new boat. And we're gonna go home. Hey. Still with me? Good, good, good. Please don't tell me it get... here we go. Good boy. Now try to grab him. Yeah, come. There we go. Show me how I look. Wait, what? I thought I can hold 2. Perfect. You 2 are going to make me a father. No, you 2 give me grandbabies. You 2 are my children. No, come back, please, please, come back. Come back, come on, come back. Stay on my shoulder. You 2, buddy, stay on my shoulder. Grab, and grab. Yeah, you 2 are gonna get along just fine, yeah, just fine. Safeguard the perimeter, some torches. Are they with me? Okay, good. Alright, and yeah. Yeah, this might take a while, so I might have to cut some parts. But as much as possible, I'm gonna talk through them all. So, you know. Let's talk about the future of Nautictown. Whoa, what's my friend doing here? She's in Nautictown. Weird, kinda weird. Yeah, kinda weird. The shield's just an obstruction. So it's obstructing my vision. There we go. Much better. But, you know, give me the chance to even look, you know. There we go. No. Perfect. So with me? Good. They have nowhere to go, by the way. So they just have to stay on my shoulder. If anyone's hungry, I've got some seeds. Yes. Kinda busy right now. Oh boy, nighttime's coming. My school. Hey. Alright, not bad. Later. Wow. One of the cons of playing in mobile device. I just want to do some justice and do like a Java edition show, you know. Good, we're home. Ooh, we're home. Ooh, I know exactly where we are. We're in Nautictown. See? Ooh, I've definitely been here before. This is close to the village. No, let's still take both sides. I don't want to risk my parrots flying away again. Still with me? Yep, still with me. Oh yeah, I might have to take a turn. Yeah, that's good. That's the village. Yeah, there we are. So yeah, it's the village. So, it's a good sign. We're close. We're very close. Ouch. I'm kinda glad they fixed, like, when you crash your boat, it just breaks up into bits. Alright, let's just walk home. Still with me? Good. I'm just gonna leave the boat there, yeah. For later times. Oh, come on, don't fly away. Stick to me, alright? Stick to me. Stop doing that, alright? Stop doing that. You too. Oh boy. Oh boy, Sheik. Still with me? Oh, come on. Let them fly. Whew, they're safe. No! Oh, we can't run well. No, wrong way. Just grab them first. No! You bastards! No one has the right to do that. Especially you. Now, come on. That's right. Stick to me. No! Oh, no, they're just mimicking. Ah, witch. I'm not in any mood to fight one right now. Still with me? Oh, come on. No! Hey, kids, I may not make it home, but whatever you do, just try to find home. I don't want to die. I don't want to die yet. I don't want to die. Please, don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please just kill me when I at least bring these parrots home. Yeah, please. Oh my god, my luck. Alright, see that? It's the birch, dark oak, and oak pattern. Please. Alright. No one sees me? Good. Take the time. Take your time. Oh, I'm just one hit from dying. Come on, birds. Come on, quick. Oh, boy. Wait, did they... Feels like an area a bee would spawn in. Honestly, don't know where I'm going. But... okay, show me the map. Oh, we're definitely far away. What the heck? You can hear the witches laughing at my goofiness. Oh boy. Alright. Let's just make it home. Let's grab our parts first. Alright, come here. Are they with me? One of them is. Alright, hey. Okay, quick, come with me. Okay, quick. Are they with me? I can't look. Oh, nah, doesn't matter. Just run. Just run towards this direction. Don't make a stop. No. Are they okay? Are my parts okay? Hey. I'll grab you. And I'll rush your blue sibling. Good. They're with me. Aha. What a creative episode. And it isn't even hours long. See, this is the kind of episodes I want to make more. No, 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 no. Okay, good, you're all safe, you're all safe. Oh boy, the creeper. Stay down, stay in the water. No! Ah, crap. One of them died. But the red one was my first one. Ah, well. Just more reasons to hate creepers. I don't know, it doesn't trust me. Okay, good. We're gonna make it home, don't worry. Oh, you bastards. You bastards have no right to even look at me. Yeah, straight ahead. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, I know. But we're home anyway. Yeah. At least I know he's beside me. Yep, I know. And here we are. Welcome home. This is Nautictown, by the way, little friend. Your new home. But don't worry, we're gonna make it more habitable. Besides, we got lots of those jungle oak saplings. My. See, there we are. And here we are. Home and safe. Alright, great. Let's, are we safe? Let's go plant some of these and some of these. That's a good spot. Good spot. Good spot. Good spot. And cover them with the trees. Yeah. And let that just grow. We're doing well. Yeah, we're doing well. You know, not bad. Oh, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? No! Get out! You've drawn enough pain. Oh, bullcrap. Don't get my stuff destroyed. Oh no, my parrot. Oh! God damn it. You. This is all your fault! That's right, die. Now show up! This is your punishment for getting my parrots killed. Die! Now show up. Now show up. Now don't go. You go back to spawn point. What a sad, sad memory. This is where it happened. Oh my god, it's the feather. No, let's make the color matching. A bit brighter. Yeah, sure. In our memory, 2 parrots, 1 and 1 and 2. Gotta grab an item frame. Stay there. Beautiful. Very beautiful. I'd like to say a few words for our dearly departed, and it's really good that you guys showed up. But I know our loss happens. People die, loved ones, but it's just good to know that maybe they're in a better place. Even though they may die tragically. Yes, good point. Even though they may die tragically, we know they'll end up in a better place. So, this is for you, Parrots 1 and 2. Thank you all for showing up on such short notice, and the reception areas inside the house, yeah. You can have some shrimp and some soup, and I'll just grieve in the docks.